Concrete barrier. The concrete barrier was introduced in the USA and was tested in France in 1972. After 2 years siyang i-test, ginamit na siya sa entire road network ng France. May dalawang functions ang concrete barrier. Una, as a guardrail, yun nakikita niyo sa highway sa gitna, then as a barrier, pangharang. May dalawang klase ng concrete separator. Ang double concrete separator, which was designed to be set up on medians and shoulders, at ang single type naman has a reduced section and its use is limited to particular cases. Ang concrete separator, isa siyang solid at rigid device. So, dapat kapag sinet up siya sa isang stable ground or level ground para ma-eliminate ang risk of rupture. May functions ang concrete barrier. Depende sa kung anong uri ng sasakyan ang tatama sa kanya. Una, for light vehicles weighing less than 1,800 kilograms, depende sa angle of impact. Kapag small lang ang angle of impact, i-guide lang niya ang gulong ng sasakyan pabalik dun sa road without any serious damage. Pero kapag nag-increase na yung angle of impact, i-absorb naman ng sasakyan yung friction at saka yung deformation. Sumunod naman, for heavy vehicles weighing less 12 tons, katulad na sa light vehicles, i-guide lang din niya yung truck pabalik dun sa road. At for heavy vehicles weighing more than 12 tons, impact conditions are not very hard. Magkakaroon siya ng damage pero hindi ganun grabe. Pero dun sa not very hard na yon, low speed pa yon at small angle. Siyempre, iba na kapag sobrang bilis at mataas na yung angle of impact.